Good afternoon, student. Today we are doing an maths activity to find an HCF and LCM. So you all know how to find an HCF. HCF is what? Highest common factor. Okay, we will do what are common factors. Means the number that is common as a factor. So just I want to tell you what is 10 and 18. Okay, what are the factors of 10? 1, 2, 5 and then 10. And what are the factors of 18? 1, 2, 3, then what? 6, then 9, then 18. Okay, these are all the factors of 10 and 18. So can we see the common factors? Like 1 is a common factor, means 1 is here also and here also. So 2 is also a common factor. Then we can see after 2, any other number are common? No. So our common factors are 1 and 2. But what I have to find? HCF. So this is means highest common factor. So after 1, which number is highest? 2. So your highest common factor is 2. So means we have to find the highest common factor 2 of 10 and 18. So we will do it by an activity. See. First of all, I will take 2 steps. Okay. This is of 18 units, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, I have folded in such a way so that I can identify the each units. And this is what? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Like suppose we are making a fan, like this you can make a each unit. So this is total 10 and this is 18. Okay, now what I will do, I will overlap this over this. So now you can see this is the remaining part. Okay, so I don't want this remaining part. What I will do, I will subtract. So for subtracting, I will remove this remaining part. Okay, now I can see these 2 steps are same. So I can use any one of the steps. So I am removing this step. Now again the process, I will overlap this, means bigger one than the smaller one, so that I can see the remaining part. So after this was how much? This was 8 and this is 8. This was 10 and this is 8. So again 10 minus 8, what it will be? 2. So again I am removing the remaining part. Okay, so this is 2. So again these 2 steps are same. Again I can remove one step. Then what I will do, I will again put it together so that I can see the remaining part. So remaining part is this much, means 6 minus 2. So here this. After cutting the remaining part, I can see the both are getting same common factor. So this is your 2. So means like this you can find your HCF, that is your 2. 2 for each, and this is your common factor. Okay, so this is a process just to find a common factor as 2. Okay, now we will do an activity to find for the LCM of 2 and 4. Okay, now you look here as a concept, least common multiple. What are least common multiple? Means multiple of 2 is what? 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay, and multiple of 4 is what? 4, 8 and 12. So according to a concept, a least common multiple. Common multiples are 4, 8 and then so many. But we want the least. So the least is 4. So means I have to do an activity where these 2 value coincide. So means value coincide at least place. Okay. Now this is a strip. This represents a table of 2. Okay, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then this is a table of 4. Now you can see, means 4 ones are 4. So you can see where the two value coincide, then it is called an LCM. So you can see 2 into 2 twos are 4. So here two values are coinciding. So means, so your LCM is what? 4. You can also look here. Here also two values are coinciding. This is also giving a least. This is giving you a common multiple. But what we want? We want a least common multiple. So the value will be 4. Or you can find with this method also 2 or 4. 2 is common. So this will be 1 and 2. Then like this. So your answer is 4. Or with the activity also, we find that the two values when coincide at a least place, then it is an LCM. So like this you can use an activity to find an LCM, and same activity is used to find an HCF. So I just want you all to try it. Okay, thank you all of you.